Hello and a warm welcome to Peppy Sage. I'm really very excited today because today I'm going to share with you a makeup kit which is very affordable and is suitable for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you want to experiment with makeup products for the first time, I can understand what you feel, because it is like if I buy very expensive products, I might not end up using it and it will go to waste. So keeping this view into mind, I will bring you affordable products which makes a complete makeup kit, but we will not compromise with the quality. We will definitely showcase here today the best quality products at an affordable rate. So first of all, the products I will be showing you today are mostly suitable for dry to normal skin types, because that is what I am in, and I have been through your stage. Believe me, I have been through all these things where I have spent a lot of money and then I had to throw those products off. It really hurts somewhere. So keep your trust on me. I'm not going to sell something to you or push you to buy this thing particularly. No, I will give you options, and this is something which you can customize according to your needs. So today I will be showing you around 10 products. You might not need some of these. I will tell you which are optionals, and it completely depends upon you, according to your skin type, according to your skin condition, what things do you need. So let's begin. So first of all, this is the Fit Me primer. So this is the Fit Me matte and poreless. So why matte? Because I have dry skin. Still I use this matte primer because it helps to minimize the pores which I have. If it is glossy and my foundation is again dewy, then it makes my makeup very glossy, which I don't like. It is like it is going to melt right now. So for the base, I like to keep it matte, and this primer is really good. So for all the products that I will be showing you today, I will link it in the description box and mention the price there in case you want to check it. Brows are a very important part of your makeup. This Skinny Speedy brow pencil from Peripera is absolute best for beginners. Just follow your natural brow shape and slowly fill in the gap or sparse areas. So I like to do my eyes first. As you are beginning with makeup, eyes could be little tricky. So just to avoid that your eyes gone wrong for some case and you want to completely take out your makeup, so better you do your eyes first, and then when you are satisfied with your eyes, then you can do your rest of the face, because otherwise you have to clean your face completely and then again start doing it. So after primer, I like to apply my I like to put on my eye makeup, and that is how we are going to proceed. But before that, if you have oily lids, or if you think that your eyelids are little dark, so we have put the primer. Second, what we can use is this Fit Me loose powder. This is the finishing loose powder, but you can use it to set your eyelids. So that will take out the gloss, any cream which you have. So that will make blending very easy when you have a very clean canvas for your eyes. So after that, believe me, this is my favorite eyeshadow palette currently, and this is so affordable. It comes in 9 shades, and this could be your everyday as well as your glam palette. I tell you, like, this is something from Swiss Beauty. This is their ultimate shadow palette in number 6, and the colors are so versatile. No matter you are just applying one color, going to office, going to work, or even going to your college regularly, or just a stay at home makeup, or if you are going for a night out party, this palette will definitely work for you. Only thing missing from this palette, which I think according to me, is a black eyeshadow. So you can include a separate single black eyeshadow for yourself along with this palette, and that is good to go for beginners completely. So here is a quick tip. If you are doing your eye makeup before your entire face makeup, just do the eye makeup on the upper part of the eye. Like, don't put anything here at the bottom, because when you put your foundation and stuff, it might get smudged. So let's not put anything down below our eyes. We will do that part later. So this is my all-time favorite kajal from Lakme. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in black. You will get it in different shades if you like to, add pop of colors to your eyes. So this is one of the kajal which I have been using for 5 to 6 years now, and This is a holy grail for me. I always have this in my vanity. Like, I have 6 to 7 of this with me, because outside India it is mostly not available. So whenever I go to India, I pick a bunch of these, and I really love this. So if you are a beginner, then these kind of kohl pencils are really helpful to line your eyes, to line your waterline, to tightline your eyes, as well as to use it as a eyeliner. I have used it in 3 different ways in this video, and I regularly do that. Yeah, I also use pencil liners, like sketch pen kind of eyeliners, liquid eyeliners. You can try that, but as a beginner, I think this is the most handy thing you can use as your eyeliner, and as tight lining it like a kohl, you can also use it. So here is another option. If you are okay with using liquid eyeliners, then this one from Lakme is a real gem. This one also comes in different shades. Like, it comes in a beautiful gorgeous blue and a green. So I hope I have the blue one as well. So this is something, if you are okay with liquid liners, this is one of the best and cheapest liquid liners you can use. So this one is from Inside Cosmetic, and this is their HD Concealer Corrector and Contour. I know you must be confused with what are the products should I buy for all these purpose. Does it even work? Do I at least need any of these? There could be 100 of question in your mind, so better not waste our money in different products. You can definitely give this a try. This is very inexpensive. I think I bought it with 100 something rupees from India. So this one comes with the 6 different shades, and these are so good. Today you have seen me using this orange color. This orange corrector shade I have used today underneath my eyes and on my mouth area because of little discoloration there. So you can also, contour your face with these shades. You can also use these as highlighters with these light colors. So it is a complete thing which you would need, and this is such a sturdy packaging. You don't expect these kind of things from such cheap products. If I'm wrong with the price, I don't know, but it is not more than 500 rupees. So I will check the price again and link all the price in the description. You can check that out. I'm not sure about the price of this product. So I really love this one. The formula is so creamy, it is so easy to blend, and it applies nicely on your face. So if we talk about the foundation, then Maybelline Fit Me foundation is the clear winner here. This one is in the shade 310 in Sun Beige, and this is in the variation of Dewy plus Smooth. So if you are into my skin type, which is dry, normal to dry, or drying skin types, then a dewy foundation always works the best. So you can see that how this foundation is very natural and not very over the top, and it gives a even coverage on your face. It is like your skin tone is one color and you can work upon this. So I really like the formula. I really like how it goes onto my skin and how it stays in my skin for a longer time. Is this makeup sponge which I was using today, and this is again from Inside. This was 100 something rupees, and this works just as any expensive sponge which we use to apply our makeup with. So this one works really fantastic. We have this mascara from Essence. This is I Love Extreme Volume Mascara, which is waterproof. Believe me, I never use waterproof mascaras, but this one, it comes off really well. I don't like to put something which will, while coming out, it also takes out my lashes. I don't want that. So it happened with one of the high-end product, but Essence mascaras are the best if you want to go for a cheaper alternative, and they work really the best. For the blush here, I have used this Maybelline Fit Me powder blush in the shade Wine, and this is a shade which is very suitable for medium to dark skin tones. I think this one is a gorgeous shade which you can use regularly just to add a flush of color, or you can build the coverage up to make it more deeper. So it is very easy for beginners to use it because this is in powder form and you cannot go wrong. Like, slowly you have to build the coverage, and this is like a perfect texture for a beginner to try. And along with this, I am using some tools, like the brushes which I'm using are very inexpensive. Few are from Essence, and then there is another brand which I found out on Amazon, and it was like 18 brushes altogether. The set came, I think it is called Amanje or Amangi, something like that. I will link it in the description. So yes, I'm really happy with the purchase of my makeup brushes. So now is the most favorite part, that is lipsticks. So as a beginner, you would like to have different shades of lipstick into your vanity. So here are two lip shades which I have here for you, which are affordable, very affordable. And then these are two varieties. One is for daily use and the other one is for occasional use. So I thought, why not a red lip today? So this one is from Miss Claire. This is their matte power lip color. So I have a different video on this one. You can check that out in the I button or in the description box below. So it comes with a wand which is little slanted, and I really like how soft the wand is and how well this lipstick applies. The best part is this is a liquid lipstick. As you can see that there is no transfer. See, there is no transfer. Yeah, that is just outside of my lips. There is not at all any transfer from my lips from this liquid lipstick, but this is so comfortable on your lips. I always used to hate liquid lipsticks, but this being a liquid lipstick has been my favorite because this does not dry out your lips like the other liquid lipsticks there. This formula is so nice. It is so comfortable on your lips, and you see the gorgeous color it has. So I have this in 3 shades. If you want to check it out, you can check the other video there. Then with this red lipstick, I have this regular lipstick which is in a nude shade. This is again from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 660, which is Touch of Spice, and I really love this one. So here it is. Here how the bullet looks like, and this is something which you can use on a regular basis. No matter you're staying at home, you're going to college, you're going to office, or you just want to look glam, this is the best lipstick you can use. This is creamy matte formula, but this does not settle to your lips. It does not exaggerate your fine lines, but this transfers on anything and everything. This is a cream based formula. So even I have a video of nude lipsticks on my foundation shade. So if you want to check out that video as well, you can check that out. There are a few more options for nude lipsticks. So this is how you can create your own makeup kit depending upon what are the things you need, what are the things you don't need. You can customize that according to your needs. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.